Hello and welcome back. Paulie here, and I've got a great recipe. Okay, cooking hash. Olive oil into our non-stick skillet, like so. And we'll bring it up to temperature there. It's getting there. And we want to go in with our potatoes first because they take the longest to cook. But I'm using some little gourmet potatoes here. Just give them a stir. Next, some kosher salt and cracked black pepper, like so. After about 3 or 4 minutes, as you can see, some of our potatoes here are already getting nice caramelization going. So we'll just let this go a couple more minutes before we start adding more ingredients. Okay, at this stage, it's been a couple more minutes. I'm going to go in with some portobello or mini bello mushrooms. Get those stirred in and let those start cooking down. And look at that, smelling good. Alright, at this stage I'm going to go in with some roasted vegetables. I pre-roasted some onion, jalapeño, red bell pepper, and garlic. So we'll get those in there. Like so, get those stirred in. Okay, I'm going to turn my heat back just a little bit to medium, and we're going to go in with a little bit of vegetable stock, but you can use chicken if you like. Going to let that reduce down a little bit. We'll also add in some tomato paste, about a tablespoon or so. Get that all incorporated. Okay, next we're going to go in with some herb de provence. If you don't want to use that, you can just use your basic Italian seasoning. Get that incorporated. Okay, we'll do one final taste test for salt content to see if we need to add any more. Man, that's really good. All I need to do is finish this off. And we'll do that by going in with a little bit of unsalted butter and get that incorporated in there. Okay, now it's finished. It's time to remove this from the heat and we'll finish up with the egg to go on top. Alright, using the same skillet, we go back in with just a bit of oil there. And then go in with a farm fresh egg, like so. No need to use another skillet, just use the same one. A little bit of kosher salt and some cracked black pepper. It's time for egg. And for good measure, we'll go on top with a little more herb de Provence. Why not? Okay, there's a finished product. Paulie's breakfast hash. So easy to do. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching Paulie's Food Channel.